ay si Archimedes Udaundo. Hi, Big Spender.
Hello.
Napakagaling mong kumanta.
Thank you po.
Tuwad. Okay. Try mo kumanta ng This is my life.
Kung napasama ako sa top 10, ang gusto ko ng ulam is fried chicken. Pangako, hindi kita iiwan.
Kasi balang araw talagang sisikat ka.
Ready to rumble na ang mga Dabawenyo, Joshua, Archie, Lovely.
Ito namang isang protege ko ay from Davao din at 11 years old na si Joshua Fresco.
Easy come, easy go, that's just how you live. Oh, take it all, but you never give. Should've known you was trouble from the first kiss. Had your eyes wide open, why would they open? Gave you all I had and you tossed it in the trash. You tossed it in the trash, you did. To give me all your love is all I ever ask. 'Cause what you don't understand is I'd catch a grenade for you, throw my head on a blade for you, and jump in front of a train for you. You know I'll do anything for you. I would go through all this pain, take a bullet straight through my brain. Yes, I would die for you, baby, but you won't do the same. If my body was on fire, oh, you watch me burn down in flames. You said you love me, you're a liar, 'cause you never, ever, ever did, baby. But darling, I still catch a grenade for you, throw my hand on a blade for you, and jump in front of a train for you. You know I'll do anything for you. I would go through all this pain, yeah. Take a bullet straight through my brain. Yes, I would die for you, baby, but you won't do the same. No, you won't do the same. You wouldn't do the same. Oh, you never do the same. No, 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 no.
Napansin ko lang, di ba may beat yung kanta mo? Para ka lang kumakanta ng ballad. Yun lang napansin ko. Medyo kaunting samahan mo ng sayaw.
Joshua, 11 years old. No? You know what I like about you? Kumakanta ka ng natural. Hindi mo ginagaya si Bruno. Ibig sabihin, talagang gifted ka with singing talent. Dito sa Protege, nakikita ko na ang daming batang magaling kumanta. Imagine mo, after so many years, ilang superstar singers ang ipoproduce nitong show na to.
Tama yung sabi ni Lola Homer. Mas malala. Galaw. So, importante yon yung movements. So, good luck, boy.
Ito namang aking isang protege ay of course taga Davao, 15 years old. I'm hoping for the best sa kanya kasi medyo tinamaan ng isang matinding sipon, si Archimedes Udaundo.
Ilang ulit mo na itinatanong sa'kin kung hanggang saan, hanggang kailan, hanggang kailan kitang mahal, hanggang ang buhay ko'y kunin ng may kapal. Giliw, huwag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling, hanggang may pag-ibig laging isisigaw. Tanging ikaw, hanggang may pag-ibig laging isisigaw. Tanging ikaw.
Archimedes. Nalaman namin kay Mentor Jaya mo na medyo may health concerns ka, no? Na siguro nagka-problema ka ng konti. Pero maganda pa rin pagkakakanta mo. Magaling ka kumanta. Maganda kang humagod ng mga love songs.
Ako isa lang. Kilala mo si Archimedes Maturan?
Jumides Maturan, kilala mo.
Pero breaks pa rin. Ang kulit ko. Pero yun talaga yan. Maraming nanonood sa inyo.
Mga judges, ito po ang isa sa aking mga proteges, si Miss Lovely Embuscado from Davao.
I would hold you in my arms. I would take the pain away. Thank you for all you've done. Forgive all your mistakes. There's nothing I wouldn't do to hear your voice again. Sometimes I want to call you, but I know you won't be there. Oh, I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do, and I've hurt myself. Whoa, if I had just one more day, I would tell you how much that I missed you since you've been away. Whoa, it's dangerous. It's so out of line to try and turn me back time. I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do, and I've hurt myself. By hurting you.
Lovely. Okay. Good luck. Umiiyak siya, oh.
Kuya Homer, she's only 12.
Ha?
Madali kong makita yung connection kay Jaya at saka kay Lovely. Habang kumakanta siya, emotional si Jaya eh. Na-amaze ako saan nyo kinukuha yung boses na yan. Ilang ka? 12?
12 po.
My goodness. Paano ka nakumanta pagka 18 ka na? Sino daw kinakantahan mo?
Baboy ko po.
Meron po siyang mga pet na baboy. Doon siya kumakanta pag nag-aalaga siya.
Eh ako, seryoso ngayon to. Umiiyak ka dahil may problema kayo, ganyan. Hindi po kayo matatalo ka sa protege o hindi ka na, o na-out ka. Breaks nga ang pinag-uusapan dito. Lahat kayo may breaks. Maaaring ang hindi kayong main winner, pero may makakapansin sa'yo sigurado. At yun ang break mo. Doon ka mapapasama dahil magaling ka. Okay? Oh, don't cry anymore. Sige.
Next up, ang listahan ng pasok sa live gala, makikilala na.